Welcome to the June 6th, 2025 hydroponic garden tour with a few non-hydroponic items added in. If you like to see the quicker video, you can go onto our shorts and see that. We'll go a little bit slower. So we have self-watering totes with false bottoms and water reservoirs. We've got garlic, there's some strawberries back there, yarrow. Then we have some lamb's ear, another strawberry, and some more garlic, some different kinds. It's kind of a set it and forget it situation. And then for the first zone on the reservoir, we have tromboncino squash. No babies yet, but we're starting to get the little curly things. Then we have some French rosemary. Man, that's slow growing. Sugar baby watermelon, slow growing as well. It's been a little cool at night, but really hot during the day. Strawberry ground cherries. I can't wait to eat their babies. We have a sugar rush peach pepper. I've never grown this one before, so I'd be very interested in seeing what it tastes like. So if you've had it, if you could comment below and let me know what I'm in, what's gonna happen. And then we have chamomile, sweet basil, some Hawaiian giant poa berries. It's super satisfying to look at their roots. So much easier than dirt gardening. It's not like you can pull the plant up and be like, let me see your booty. We have some tropical sunset tomatoes. I always tickle my tomatoes in the morning. Helps to pollinate them. But we do have some started. These guys are sweet and tangy, and they don't have a lot of acid, and they love the full sun and the high heat. So they do really, really well. They grow very fast. Then we have big Jim peppers. Sweet, big, a little heat, my favorites. Willie Kate is a first for me this year, but they're soft. So we'll see. Oh, we have our first flowers. So it'll be interesting to see what those are like. Then we have grand bell peppers. These grow and they're super colorful. And then my favorite beefsteaks are rainbow beefsteaks because I like the colors. Oh, awesome. We have flowers. Flowers. These guys are really ahead of it this year. I started everything inside and then moved it to the greenhouse. So things got started pretty early. Now we have Roma tomato. They're also on a zone that runs into that reservoir float valve bucket. And then this reservoir feeds both of those float valves. Then we have horehound. When I read the reviews on it, it said something about they can make root beer and it's medicinal. The leaves taste like crap. But we'll see. Not sure what I'm supposed to do with that. If you have ideas, if you can let me know, that would be great. Then we have round zucchini, and it is just blowing up. I know we had a few little babies in here, but they seem to die before I can get to them. Then we have our cucumbers. Got a bunch of flowers. Hopefully they'll reach up to the trellis. Then we have Hawaiian giant poa berries. They taste like a sweet tart. Self-watering strawberries. Looking a little sad because I just got transplanted. Thank you, Uncle, for the donation of strawberry plants. He has the best strawberries. Don't mind the speaking. We have floofs. Floofs in the wild. Berry plants and volunteer onions. Water reservoir. This will be the first year actually getting raspberries, so that'll be nice. Then we have our honey nut squash. Little babies. They're so good. I'd never had them except for last year when I grew and I got two because I didn't know anything about trellising. So this year it's on. We have yard-long pole beans. I hope they just take over all of this. Habanero pepper. Don't know what I'm going to do with that because I don't like heat. Maybe I'll infuse something. Then we have more Hawaiian giant poa berries. Trying to go for the berries this year. Would love to learn how to make jams and jellies. Ukraine purple tomato. I promise you, they're just fine. They're just super dramatic plants. They have attitudes. More Tromboncino squash. It's my favorite. It's sweet and creamy, and they grow huge. Then we have some tender sweet orange watermelons. Little guys, they're getting there. They're starting to really grow. And then we have some rainbow beefsteaks. Got some more flowers. Feverfew, great for tinctures and tea for migraines and light headaches, fevers, hot flashes. Over here, we have our sweet banana peppers. Little first guy. Probably gonna give his life for that one. I could pinch it off, but I don't feel like it. This is the overflow for tomatoes. Don't know what they are. Then we have yellow squash. They're limping along. We have another zone. Reservoir, float valve bucket running the zone here. And then we have some grapes started. You can see, got some roots. Probably end up putting that guy in the ground after this season with the other grapes out front. And I have a loofah. It needs some heat. It hasn't been super hot. It's just for a few hours each day though. More of I don't know what you are tomatoes, but couldn't put you in the trash. Felt bad for you. We've got some jalapenos. These always end up so freaking hot. Another self-watering strawberry. I use these guys. They keep flies out. Oh no. Do you see underneath the fence over there? There's a paw trying to get the ball. Oops! You lost your ball, Bubba's. Poor guy. Should I go get it? Then we have the potato patch. My neighbor had some potatoes that had sprouted, so might as well plant them. But normally we do the double bucket self-watering system, where I only have to water it or put nutrients in them just a few times, and then it takes care of itself. Kind of recirculate. And we have the sweet potato patch with the Oyas. And a very sad looking pear tree that's doing absolutely nothing. It's been a few months. We'll see. Got any ideas on that, guys? I followed the directions. Another reservoir. Float valve. Then we have some 1,500-year-old beans. So we'll see. I think they're pretty happy. Then we have Kentucky wonder beans. Large red cherries. I think they're going to be pretty big. Tickle the tomatoes, guys. And then we have the tropical sunsets. Again, my favorite tomatoes. Tickle. More big Jim peppers. Some aromas. Things back here kind of fight for their life. It's very, very sunny in the afternoon. I need to get that shade cloth up. We have grand bell peppers with lots of little guys starting. That's exciting. Some more Willie Cates. Strawberry ground cherries. Japanese hull-less popcorn. This will be a first this year. They've never made it this far, so we'll see. Some round zucchini. A whiny dog in the background who still lost his ball. Some dill. And a black beauty zucchini. And a hollyhock. So there you go. Tour of the garden. Let's go save the dog's ball so I'm not a monster. Sit. Good boys. Thanks for joining us. If you like this video and want to keep up to date on the hydroponic garden, we'll be doing tours every week or so. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would be a good time frame. And if you'd like to learn more about it, just let me know what kind of videos you want. I'd be happy to make them. Thanks so much for stopping by. Happy gardening.